Okay, put the beer down. Time for your interview. That's it.
In the background?
It could be in the background. Chef Scott James of Midtown Grill pulls off the win tonight against La Residence in Battle Chocolate Milk. How would you feel about today's battle, Scott?
I thought milk was a versatile ingredient. It was something that we didn't have a whole lot of problems applying to all three courses, which was a benefit. You know, last year we had some ingredients that were difficult to incorporate, particularly in the dessert side. But I thought it was a great ingredient, and I got a feeling we won't get as lucky the second round.
No, because we're sneaky, according to what you told us.
Quoted by Scott James that you guys are sneaky.
It was not just chocolate milk. It was chocolate milk, buttermilk, whole milk, and cream.
Yeah.
From, what was the farm?
I can't remember.
Maple View Farms.
I woke up way too early this morning.
He woke up too early, but he's not going to bed, are you, right now?
No, I'm not. I'm actually not going to do that.
Going to go out and celebrate. Congratulations, Chef Scott James
Thank you
of the
very much.
Midtown Grill. Moves on to the quarterfinals. This is Fire in the Triangle.
Chef Scott rules!